Hi, this is Yashasvi from Law 2.0 conference. I am here with Prachi. First of all, congratulations for getting recognized on our platform, Prachi.
Hi, Yashasvi. Thank you so much. It really
Can-
truly is an honor.
Thank you so much. Can you please introduce yourself and the organization you're representing?
Sure. Hi, everyone. I am Prachi Kohli. I'm a lawyer by profession and I work in legal affairs with the National Diversity Coalition. I've received a Master's of Law degree from a specialization in business law from the University of California School of Law, and a Bachelor's of Law degree from Symbiosis International University. I'm a licensed attorney in India with prior experience in Indian tax laws, litigation, and corporate compliance. And currently, I'm working with NDC, which is a nonprofit organization in the United States. We are primarily based in California, and it's an organization dedicated to advocating for greater opportunity, financial equality, and economic empowerment for diverse and minority and low-income communities. Uh, in the US, as an Asian woman, I am a double minority and a diverse community, part of the community. So I'm truly blessed to be part of such a great organization. My role there is primarily on advocacy before federal and state regulatory agencies, mostly on mergers and acquisitions that have a critical effect on minorities. And my main focus is on banking, telecom, and the media industry. Other than that, I also look after strategy development, legal research and analysis, and involved in a lot of public policy driven programs uh, for the LMI communities.
Right.
Very nice to be here with you. Thank you.
I see. That's really wonderful to know about you and about the organization. Other than that, like if we talk about this industry, the law industry, like how do you think this industry is transforming lives at a global scale?
Yeah. So I think the industry, especially the legal industry, is generally viewed very narrowly. Traditionally, working as a lawyer always involved the practical application,
Right.
of the legal theories and using our technical know-how to solve specific problems from the
Right.
clients. And lawyers have been an integral part of our judicial system, the regulation. They've primarily controlled all facets of the industry. But I think that's rapidly changing now with there's a lot of increasing diversity at the global scale.
Right.
Now, a lawyer's job is not just limited to the courtroom and just providing legal advice on certain matters at a corporate level. I think the business is really recasting the culture, the mindset. There is more diversity, more tech coming in the for lawyers, and
Right.
uh, business was, like primarily focused on revenue, profit
Revenue
sharing,
ones. Right.
and more economic driven things.
Right.
But now they are moving to other components such as ESG, corporate social responsibility, diversity, equity, and
Right.
I feel that I'm at a very important bridge right now, where I'm also a conduit to the community, able to understand these important critical issues which surround us, as
Right.
well as provide my legal advice because everything is still supposed to be done under the realm of the existing laws.
I
So
see.
I think currently, coming from a different country, the perspective has been very different. I come from a developing nation. India
Right.
is still considered a developing nation. And when I moved to the US, uh, they say the grass is always greener on the other side. And we always have a nice picture of a developed nation, but
Right.
it comes with its own challenges.
I understand.
And I have been able to witness that and also blessed that I'm able to be the bridge for both the worlds. Um, the lawyer's job uh, is not just uh, it's growing really intensively, and it's there's a lot of pressure I feel these days to align with the corporate purpose.
Right.
It's not just to perform your legal function, you have to understand the business side of the work as well.
Right.
And it's going much beyond what was traditionally uh, an advocate or a barrister in some countries, they call it, uh,
I
as
see.
a profession. So I think, and more than that, the satisfaction which uh, it brings of creating a change in your community. And if a person can really, somebody like me who has a legal degree and who is coming in a public interest sector,
Right.
uh, it creates a very a change, and it leaves a mark in you because you're seeing that you're able to make people empowered, like feel empowered. You're
Right.
you're making their lives better in some way. And truly, one size does not fit all here. It's you have to be innovative. You have to come up with new solutions every day, which match with the society. So I think right now lawyers are being put at a very important point.
I see. Well, even I can see, like, by the words that you just mentioned, definitely I can see the experience that you hold related to the legal stuff and the other things. That is really good to know. If we talk about the law conference, or even like, please do tell me, like, how has the conference treating you so far?
The conference, is it's amazing to listen to all the sessions and all the speakers. I think you guys did a great job, like, bringing such knowledgeable people and experienced people under one roof, and hearing from them is really amazing. Uh, I feel that the part that the conference is also uh, virtually, it does help because of changing times, pandemic. We all need to be able to adapt to the technology.
Right.
Although on a personal level, I think physical interaction is really important.
Right.
To achieve that leadership connection, the one-on-one has better impact. I
Right.
mean, I do a lot of outreach for my nonprofit, and we also host a lot of town halls and conferences.
Right.
So the hybrid one has been okay, but you can still not match the in person. So I do look forward to you know having an in person experience this time, and I
Right.
think we invite more youth because that is a very critical time that
Right.
these kinds of conversations, they affect you and they mold how you uh, look at the world and how
Right.
you
The
lead.
perspective. The
The
perspective.
perspective changes a lot, and
Right.
this is really important for the the next generation. So as a as a lawyer, as a woman, I do want to make sure that I make that contribution from my side, make other fellow women feel empowered. And it starts from places like this. We have a conference, we are bringing people from different backgrounds, even in the legal industry, and getting their perspective. I think it's an amazing place. But I do look forward to an in-person experience this time.
All right, that's really wonderful to know that. Other than that, please tell us where we can find more about your company, or where we can more find more about you.
Yeah, so I'm definitely available on LinkedIn. My LinkedIn handle is Prachi Kohli, which is my full name with no space. And my company's website is www.nationaldiversitycoalition.org. It's a very long one, but you just have to have three words: National Diversity Coalition. We're also present on Facebook, Twitter, uh, Instagram, and YouTube. So
Nice.
you can join us, you can support our cause, you can listen to videos and of all the town halls that we host. And recently, we always have advocacy meetings with all the federal regulators. So that's really feel an important part to
Nice.
be able to serve and be part of the policy making process
Nice.
because you're being a voice to the voiceless. So if you want more information, I'm always happy to share that with anybody.
All right, that's really wonderful to know that. Other than that, thank you so much for having me here, Prachi. It was lovely speaking with you. Even I'll be more than happy to see you in our upcoming conference as well.
Absolutely. Thank you so much,
All
Yashasvi.
right. Have a lovely day ahead. Bye bye.
Bye.